Okay, so we're on the final stage of our epoxy flake floor. The most important thing on this final stage is the sanding. So after completing hundreds of floors, we found that sanding the floor gives the epoxy floor a better profile before we put the top coat on. So what we do is we give it a sand, we vacuum it, we put down a polyaspartic top coat, which is a premium thicker top coat, and it just gives our garage floor that little extra edge. Let's have a look at the process. So if you're looking to get a garage floor done, please submit your details in the link below. And if you're really interested in learning how we install our floors, then why not consider our 3-day Learn with London Linings workshop, in which I will personally show you how we install our floors in a real working environment. Drop your details below and I'll be in touch. I'll catch you later.